Hey guys, I'm your Props, and today I'm going to be making Boba Fett's helmet from The Mandalorian Season 2. The first thing I did was traced and cut out all of Punished Props Boba Fett helmet templates, and I just aligned those so that all of the edges were touching on the sheet of craft foam, and then I went through and used a pair of scissors to go through and cut this out. This helped to not make as many seam lines as if I had just cut out all of the pieces individually, and it helped make the helmet more curved than if I had just glued all of the seams along using hot glue. I then made another half of the helmet and then glued all of the pieces together using hot glue and used some masking tape to glue the two halves together and to hold it in place. I then went through and glued on the cheek panels and then used some small strips of foam to make the raised details along the faceplate of the helmet. I then made the ear section for the left side, just cutting these shapes out, not following Punished Props templates just because I wanted to do this a little more freehand. I cut these out of some 2mm foam that I found at the craft store as well, and I just got that an 8x11 sheet of that. I then used some styrene plastic that I glued together to make the rangefinder, and then cut out the other side ear part and then the back vent section. I also glued along some strips of foam along the back to make the red panel that goes across the whole back of the helmet. I then went through and used some Foamo to fill in the seams of the helmet. I actually sanded down these once they were dry and then went back through with some Bondo just to fill in the gaps a little more. This did make the seams stand out quite a bit more, so you might want to do something else. I also painted the helmet a navy green color and then painted the red and darker green on, and then painted all of the ear details gold. Overall, I think this turned out pretty good. The paint job's pretty good, and the seams aren't as bad as I thought they would be. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more of my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. See ya.